Hi, this is Damien. In my last video, I said this. So, no cookies are sent before the consent of the user. But is that really true? Let's find out. Here I have my simple page with the code element. Inside the code editor, you can see the code. It just gets the cookies from document cookie, splits it from the semicolon, and loops it to output it in a C-string variable. And this goes into the document, so right into here. I published it under a placeholder domain. You can see it here. And now let's see on different browsers. I have here the Firefox, the Safari, the Chrome browser, and the Brave browser. Let's go into the Firefox. Paste it here. We see no cookies. The consent is loading, but I'm not accepting it. I'm just reloading it, and here's the cookie without the consent. Let's check it on the Safari. No cookie set, not accepted, but I'm reloading. Here's the cookie. Let's check it in the Chrome browser. Same thing, no cookie. I'm not accepting it, reloading it. There's the cookie. And last but not least, the Brave browser, same thing. Reloading it. There's the cookie. So it appears that the cookies are set without the consent. You just have to reload the page. That means the Cookie Monster won. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.